In today's video, we're going to be covering 5 very simple, easy steps that you can actually incorporate into your everyday skincare routine to help your skincare product work better. Hey loves, welcome back to another skincare video. If this is your first time stopping by, hi, my name is Hauwa and I make beauty videos like this, so consider subscribing, and while you're at it, make sure that your notification bell is turned on so you'll be the first to know when a new video goes up. I know that a lot of people always have issues with their skincare products not working, even when they're using like the best of skincare, but something is just always wrong with that routine. The products do not work, they don't get their desired results, and sometimes it is not as if the products you're using are not actually working for you. Sometimes they're like simple things that you actually do that does not give your product enough time to work for you, and so I'm going to be sharing them with you guys in today's video, starting with your product application. Okay, when you apply your skincare routine, I'm talking about both your morning and your nighttime routine, it is very essential that you give your skin enough time to absorb these products before you apply makeup or before you go to bed. The reason is because some ingredients in your makeup might not be suitable or compatible with the ingredients in your skincare routine and might kind of like affect them. Okay, so you want to make sure that you're like giving your skin about 30 minutes to an hour interval in between your skincare and your makeup, as well as your skincare and bedtime. For bedtime, the reason it's simple: you go to bed, your hair is all over your face is all over your pillow, and you just can't necessarily control how you sleep and what happens at bedtime. Okay, and so it is very essential that you are allowing whatever you put on your skin, absorb into your skin properly before you go to bed and wipe it off with your pillowcase, or before you put on makeup and probably interfere with the process of your skincare working. So that could be one of the major reasons why your skincare products are not working for you, and if you turn this around, then you might see improvement in your routine. Now, number 2 is something that I see people do a lot. Okay, if you want your skincare products to be on your skin and actually penetrate your skin and work better for you, then you need to stop with the excessive rubbing. Sometimes we feel like rubbing in the skincare product really well is going to get it to penetrate the skin, like patting it for like a long period of time until we feel like our skin is tacky, then we feel like, yeah, it's absorbed. No, what you just did was actually take off everything that you put on your skin into your palms. Simple. Okay, so you want to make sure that when you apply your skincare product, you apply it, distribute it evenly on your skin, and that's it. Just leave it there, let it absorb. Your skin will actually absorb it gradually at its own pace. But when you're constantly rubbing, you're just drying out the product, helping the product dry faster. When you fan, you're helping the product dry faster. When you pat in too much, you're just helping the product dry faster and absorb into your palm, and just basically not giving it enough time to penetrate into your skin and do its work. Now, number 3 is closely related to the first tip that I mentioned, and this one has to do with sunscreen. So when you apply your sunscreen, you do not want to apply sunscreen immediately after you have just finished applying your skincare routine, last of which is your moisturizer. You want your moisturizer to completely dry down before you go in with your sunscreen. So I'm talking about 10 to 15 minutes interval until your skincare products are fully absorbed into your skin. Then you can go in with your sunscreen. This is because your sunscreen needs that dry surface to be able to sit and grip your skin to do its work effectively. Also, sometimes when you notice that your sunscreen is peeling, that is the reason. Okay, you're not supposed to apply sunscreen on wet skin, or damp skin. Sunscreen is meant to be applied on your skin when it is dry and when your products have been fully absorbed. So take note of that. Tip number 4 it kind of sounds contradictory, but I'm going to explain, and this is the fact that you should always apply your skincare product on damp skin, except for sunscreen, retinol. Okay, products that would irritate your skin, definitely retinol you should apply on dry skin. Sunscreen you should apply on dry skin. every other skincare product, your serums, your toner, apply on damp skin, okay? This is because when your skin is damp, that moisture in there helps your skin absorb the products that you put on it faster and better, okay? So when you want to apply your skincare, please just try to like damp, even if your skin is already dry. Probably you came out of the shower, you had other things to do, your skin dried down. That is the essence of a toner. So when you kind of like use a toner, it kind of restores your skin pH balance and also gives you that base of hydration for you to follow up with your serums and other things in your routine. So please make sure that you're applying your skincare product on damp skin and not on dry skin, except for retinol and sunscreen. And then the last tip is also very important, and that is for you to always wash your hands or do your facial skincare first before you do your body. A lot of people actually have issues with this, and that's because for me, I have dry skin. Whenever I come out of the shower, I do not pat my face dry. I leave my face to air dry on its own while I do my body care routine. Now, the side effect of this technique is the fact that after I do my body care routine, which usually consists of heavy body butters, body oils, I will still take that same palm and apply my facial skincare routine, thereby transferring my body product to my face, which could cause irritation, which could clog my pores and all of that stuff. So you definitely don't want to do that. If you want to do this technique, always make sure that you wash your hands first after applying your body products before you go ahead and apply your facial skincare products, or apply your facial skincare products. I also do this sometimes, especially now that I actually discovered a new technique in applying my body products that makes my skin like, you know, stay hydrated all day long. If you haven't watched that video, I'm going to link it somewhere on the screen, okay? If you have dry skin, you want to have hydrated skin all day long, watch that video. The tips there are phenomenal, okay? Life-changing. But yeah, if you have body product on your hands, make sure that you wash your hands really well first before applying your facial skincare, or better yet, do your facial skincare first before going in with your body skincare products, okay? And so these are some of the tips that I thought to share with you guys. You guys can see that they are like super easy and they're very effective as well if you try them out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you have any questions, please ask. I'll be sure to answer for you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, I love you guys. Bye.